And then the disciples learning by practicing. Right? Nevertheless, you're absolutely right. Today, material science and engineering is a discipline which consists of both experimental interventions in causal interventions in phenomena and writing equations, creating mathematical models, writing texts, explanatory texts about causes and effects. And so it's a much more integrated symbolic and material culture than it used to be.
Perhaps I'm just one more question, please.
Yeah. Maybe it's only in my own head, but there's a time lag that maybe you can help to explain. Non-linear differential equations, the solution of them, the numerical analysis of them, is part and parcel of computational theory going back to the original computers. So there's a time lag, it seems to me, in developing the philosophy of non-equilibrium, not amongst the computational theorists and not amongst the aeronautical engineers. So I'm asking the question of why the time lag that has taken so long, and why the time lag to come into architecture. When you use the example of climate change, I can begin, there is chaos theory, that polluting rivers, dumping into the waters, the salt not sinking fast enough, and so on and so forth. But why the time lag, or is it just a time lag in my own head?
No. There was, it certainly was not in your own head. The discrepancy was already noticeable at the end of the 19th century when physicists began to become a little embarrassed at the fact that they could they knew the two-body system, the Earth and the Sun, and that they could solve the equations perfectly well for two bodies. But at the moment you added the moon to the Earth, and you had now the moon going around the Earth and the Earth going around the Sun, you created a three-body system, which became nonlinear, which became unsolvable. So a famous king, and I can't remember right now who that was, in the 19th century offered a prize, a money prize, to whomever first solved the three-body problem. And among the winners, or among the persons who entered that competition, was Henri Poincaré, perhaps the last mathematicians who knew about and contributed to every field of mathematics, and who, by the way, is a co-author of the theory of special relativity with Einstein, not normally given credit for that. So Henri Poincaré